Okay, the outfit for the chicken I ordered off Amazon has come in. If you've been watching my channel, you know that Selenite has some owies on her side and she's picking at it. I've done everything I can in 2 weeks. And so what I did was I ordered this, and since it's not long enough here to keep her from picking at her side, this is what I did. I added a bandana to it so that it will just cover her the back to her tail and on her sides. So all I did was just sew it on. Just like that. Her wings go inside here and it just drapes over her. Just like that. So I'll go outside right now and see how it holds up. So we'll see how this is going to work out. I'm going to take her out, put her up here, and see what I can do to put on this one that I sewed the bandana onto it. Okay. Okay, now so you can see how I have to add this piece here on, and I have it going all the way under right here, going underneath. Well, she uses her foot, her claw, she catches it and she pulls it forward. This should be back further over this, and she pushes it forward, and then this ends up sliding back underneath, exposing her owie. So this is going to be a trial and error thing. So I am going to try to get this off of her and put the other one on and see if it drapes down far enough. If not, I'll be starting all over again. So let me take this off. This is my late dog Velvet's little vest. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let's see what I need to do here. We don't want to pull on her feathers. Boy, it's really Velcros. Okay. So you can see this should bend way down here. If she gets her claw and sticks it in and pulls it down. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. She needs that other one so she can get more hair to it. It's okay. I'm gonna need to just cut that. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. That's my ring. See this part here? She's stretched out. I gotta put it between my fingers and cut it between my fingers. Now, the part to remove here. I'll let that part off. I'm gonna go to the trash. And if you don't want to see her owie, close your eyes right now. So pick up her feather without touching. Right there. It's got a scab on it now. So it's healing up, it's airing out. There's the other one. Right there. It's okay. Chickens jumped. That's okay. I need to see it. Yep. Okay. So you can see it's pretty big, but it's healing. It was deep in. So it is healing now. See how this is going to work. Get her feather in here. Before I pull it all the way up, I need to get the other side in. Ouch, that's my finger. Oh no, stay here. Stay here. You stay right here. You gotta get your other feather. Stay right here. Turn around here. Well, the other one came off. Stay here. I gotta get this in. I gotta get this in. So you just stay right here. Right here. I gotta hold her up here so I don't hold her owie. We'll do it again. We'll try it again, baby. You're stepping in it though. Okay. We'll try it again. We will try it again. Okay, we'll try it again. Get those right there. Put that one in there. And make sure all her feathers are in. And then this one. Get all her feathers in. Just have some patience with me, okay? Have some patience with me, okay? Don't go flying off now. No. No, don't you dare go flying off. Be careful, I don't want to hurt her wing. It's okay. That's okay. You want to fuss at me? Yeah, you definitely can. Just gotta go way up there. Alrighty. Okay. Just hold it right there. No. You can sit down if you want. No. Close your wing. Way up there. There we go. Did you get it? Did you get it? Let's see. Well, pick this up. So it's not pulling on your wing. Make it even. We don't want one side tighter than the other side. Okay. Well, it's definitely on there. See, she can't use her foot underneath here. Now, since she'll be in the crate, let me turn around. Since she'll be in the crate, standing up, I'm holding her up, it'll be like that. It'll be fine. And if she's sitting down or laying an egg or whatever, this will be on the inside on the floor part, but that's okay. I can always wash it. Okay? Alright. So I think that will work. Alrighty, let's see. So that totally covers her owie. Just turn you around, see? It totally covers her owie. She can still get plenty of air. laid an egg a while ago. Yep. I know it. Pull this up a little bit. Pull this up a little bit. We still got plenty of room. Okay. Okay. I know it. I know it. Just like that. That's out. That's out. Okay. That's okay. Just turn it on some more so you can see. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you have plenty of patience with me, don't you? Yes, you do. You do. You have plenty of patience with me. Just making sure that her wing is all the way out. Okay, alrighty. Alright. So, that's it. That's it. Just put your wing on the outside of this, okay? Yeah, we want your wing on the outside of that and the outside of this, just like that. Okay. Let's see how she does. Plenty long on the side. It's dragging, but that's okay. She's picking at it. It's something new. I started to put a red bandana, and then I thought, oh no, I have to take the other one off, and it's red. Because once she's healed, I have to leave it on her for a little bit. Right there, she's just pruning her feathers. Not pruning, grooming her feathers, whatever you call it. And, yeah. So, it's going to be something new that she gets used to. It won't be able to slip off of her. She can walk in it. She's walking slow. Smokey's in the dust bath. Okay. Rose is in the nesting box in the coop. So I'm gonna sit down over here, keep an eye on her for a minute, see how she does. What are you doing, Jasper? I'm running over here like I had something for you. Now she'll just stay out of her water, so don't get soaking wet. Oh no, she's gonna get right in the water. Now she has water up here. I may go ahead and move her water inside there, so she don't step on it. She has, this is full of water here. So I'm gonna move this out. So she doesn't step in it. Okay, I just took that out because it's dirty anyway. I'll just leave that up there. With her standing straight up, it's not dragging. So Amethyst, I took her her saddle off. See on her back, she's growing her feathers back. You can see how white they are. I had put it on till they started growing back. I didn't want the other ones picking at her. So I took it off this morning. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope I'm not sounding stressed out. This chicken has stressed me out to no end. Yes, I was gonna give up on her. She made some pretty serious places on her. Once Onyx had scratched her, and then she started picking and getting it bigger. And for 10, I don't know, 10 days, 2 weeks, whatever, I've done nothing but change bandages on her. It is now got a scab completely over the part that needs to be. And she's walking funny till she gets used to it. And she like manages. She's checking it out, seeing if she can get it off. The only thing I have to do when I check on her, obviously, is make sure she's not picking at anything, but make sure that I move that up a couple of times a day just to make sure it's not too tight on around her wings, because it is elastic. And if she goes to pulling it down or whatever, I gotta keep an eye on that, because she can manage to get out of everything. Rose is in the dust bath. That's how they use the dust bath. And it's got the dirt in it, the diatomaceous earth, food grade, and wood ash. Now she'll do the other side. It's always fun to watch them clean themselves. They turn all upside down, sideways, and everything. Sometimes 3 of them is in there at the same time. I think I've seen 4, but 3 of them was actually cleaning themselves. The other one was just watching, standing there. There wasn't too much room for the 4. They'll stay in there forever, how long they think they need. The other ones are curious as to what's going on. I think she's just grooming herself right now. Where I took off the other bandage and stuff. I know it. It's still going to take some time because even though she's got a scab, the scab has to heal and then the feathers have to grow back. So once the scab, once it heals all over, that bottom part down there from the bandana, I can tack it up so it doesn't drag. But either way, when she lays down, it's going to be on the ground. So I just don't want it dragging through poop or anything like that when she's out of her crate. Right now, it's pretty much it is what it is while she's in there. What you doing, Selenite? You just grooming yourself? Hmm? She probably feels where that elastic is and stuff, and just grooming her feathers. Either that or she's trying to figure out. So she has a little bit of a dirty butt, not too bad. I'm not going to give her no more dried black fly larvae because that's a lot of protein. See how she does later. I had given her some this morning already because it's good for when they're having to heal. She's going around where that elastic is. Trying to see if she can get it off, I guess. Hey, baby girl. Hey, pretty girl. She'll lay down and rest. I think it's called preening, something like that, what they do when they're cleaning their feathers and spreading the oils around and stuff. I think that's what she's doing, because since I took that other thing off, she probably can feel a difference. What are the rest of you ladies up to? They done ate all the cabbage in there. Black tourmaline. What are you doing, Amethyst? You glad to have the saddle off? See, your feathers are growing back good now. Jasper's around the front of the coop. I can see her through the door. See, there comes Jasper around. It's over here checking her out like, what's that on her back? What's that on her back? What are you doing, Black Tourmaline? What are you doing, girl? What are you doing? What are all y'all doing back there? You trying to see what she's wearing? Trying to look at her new outfit? Y'all jealous? These come in a pack of 3, these saddles. What is she wearing? Is that the fashion for the day? She's styling. She's styling. Don't you think about it. Don't you think about it. Rose is thinking about jumping up here. I got the bags up here with all the dressings and scissors and bandages and everything in it. You stay down from up there. Don't even, no, don't think about it. Don't think about it. There you go. Alrighty. Still got plenty of water. Look. Look, Selenite. Selenite. Look. Look, turn around. Turn around, baby girl. Turn around. What? Look. Look. I said turn around instead of turn around her body. She just turned her whole neck around. It's been an hour. And she's not remotely gotten close to messing with it. I think this is it. It's gonna do it, because then it can get plenty of air. She can't get to it. She can stretch her legs, stretch her body, what all. Think finally, after 2 weeks, we've got it figured out. Hopefully somebody can learn from this if they haven't already done it. And it just took me forever to figure it out myself. Bye. Bye. Okay, I'll let y'all go. I'm going to sit here for a while, keep an eye on her. Make sure she can't get to that owie. And I'll let y'all go. Thank you for watching. Keep an eye on my channel name change on the 15th. Blessings, everyone. Bye.